Creekside treehouse on the deck, overlooking the creek, and you can hear the waterfall from here. You have your table outside. Over here, you've got your fire pit area. Lots of room to enjoy the great outdoors. Inside Creekside treehouse, you've got a pull-out sofa. You have your kitchen, bathroom, and the best view. Look at that. Upstairs, it's a ship's ladder, more stairs. This is the only one that is loft sleeping. Queen size bed. Here's the view from the top where your bed is located. All trees from here. Hobbit treehouse. If you are a Hobbit person, this place is for you. We have taken the details of the Hobbit and added them to this treehouse and made it pretty spectacular. So here we are off the deck of the Hobbit treehouse. Look straight down. We've created a pathway into the amazing creek that is off in the distance. You can hear the waterfall from here. Once inside, it's one room. Got a queen bed, got a pull-out sofa. This table is on wheels in the back and it moves around. There's your bathroom, shower, kitchen, an amazing door, and that's the Hobbit treehouse. Here we are at Creekside treehouse. Down at the creek, you can see two squirrels playing. If you look up and to the left, that is where the Hobbit treehouse is. So Creekside and Hobbit are next to each other. Then you have the creek right here. It gets about 6 to 8 inches high. It's a sandy bottom. You're welcome to walk up the creek. We do that often. And if you walk toward the bridge, you can hear there is a waterfall there, and then if you keep going on the other side of the bridge is where Yellowstone treehouse and Bigfoot treehouse are. All 4 of those treehouses have access to the creek. Here we are at Bigfoot's treehouse. Now this one does have a little bit more of a walk, so it's best to not bring a roller bag. Does have a slide that will keep your children busy for hours. Nice little lookout spot for the parents. Fire pit area. Very large Bigfoot swing. You can't really see that from this angle. Bigfoot's treehouse. We have a queen bed. We have a couch that transforms into bunk beds. Up here that kids love to get in. Some people sleep. Some children sleep up there. Bathroom with all the conveniences. And the kitchen area. The extra large swing. Bigfoot for your photo op. And here is the trail down to the creek. Next door, see in a distance Yellowstone. So if your family wants to rent Bigfoot and Yellowstone, there's actually a path right here that you can cross back and forth, which makes it fun for family gatherings. Here we are at Yellowstone treehouse. This is our biggest treehouse. It sleeps 6. This has an amazing semi-private area. Pretty much you'll be the only people in this area. I have seen people bring tents to set up for the kids, disc golf, baseball, kickball, remote control cars. This space is amazing. Up across the dam to the left is the Ninja Warrior course. This one is closest to the Hobbit treehouse. Here is the porch on Yellowstone. It has a purple slide, an amazing view of the creek below. It's a sandy bottom, usually about 6 to 8 inches, barely moving unless it has rained. There's kind of a steep walkway down to the creek right there, but you can see your kids playing. Inside Yellowstone, it's our full kitchen. It's our only treehouse with a full kitchen with an oven and a full-size refrigerator. We have a queen pull-out couch, 2 chairs that fold down to almost a twin, very close. We have a nice bathroom and our only treehouse with a bedroom that has a door. So this is a queen bed.